Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today our topic is 6th class Hindi subject translate to English and topic name is Raksha mein Hatya. So Raksha means helper and Hatya means killing. So this is a kahani. Kahani means story. So we are going to the lesson now. केशव के घर खिड़की के कार्निस पर चिड़िया ने अंडे दिए थे। केशव और उसकी बहन श्यामा दोनों बड़े ध्यान से चिड़िया को वहां आते जाते देखा करते थे। सुबह उठते ही दोनों सबसे पहले कार्निस के सामने पहुंच जाते और चिड़ा और चिड़िया को वहां बैठा हुआ पाते। So in this lesson we have two characters. So the two characters names are Keshav and Shyama. The two are brothers and sisters. So first character is Keshav and second character is Shyama. So in this lesson we are going to have three characters and third character is their mother. But her name is not mentioned. And two names are mentioned, Keshav and Shyama. Both are brother and sister. So what they will do in their home, window is there. In their home, their house is like this, and in their home, like this window there, and on the up of the window, they are having one like this structure shape there, that is a plywood type it is there, and on edge at cornice they are having that nest. Ghosla means nest, and khidki means window, ghosla means nest, and cornice means corner. Khidki means window, and on the window up it is the structure like a type of it is like plywood type. It will be straight for carrying something there. Khidki means window. Next and karnis means that corner. Karnis means corner. And next ghosla means the nest. Ghosla is only made by the birds, and ghosla is made by birds. So khidki means window, karnis means corner, ghosla means birds. So this is the house of Keshav, and up of the one window is there, up of that plywood, and here at the karnis they are having nest. In that nest, every day Keshav and Shyama, what they will do? Every day Keshav and Shyama will wake up, and every day they will see to that nest, and they will think, Are this nest is there in our corner of window. It is there now. Every day they will go and they will see that. So there they will watch. At morning they will wake up and they will go there. Means they will watch that Chida and Chidiya. Chida means male bird and Chidiya means female bird. They will watch there. They are mother and father of the birds. So now they are sitting there every time. They will watch from morning to evening. They will be sitting there, and sometimes for bringing food for themselves, they will go for flying. So next we'll see. उनको देखने में दोनों बच्चों को न जाने क्या मजा मिलता। दूध और बिस्कुट की भी सूद न रहती थी। दोनों के मन में तरह तरह के सवाल उठते थे। So what happened? They too will every time see that, and their mother is thinking that by seeing that birds, what happiness they are getting. Their mother is thinking, and without drinking milk and biscuits, they are going to their window side, and they are every time watching that only. So they will get some questions. So we will see what are the questions. अंडे कितने बड़े होंगे, किस रंग के होंगे, बच्चे उनमें कैसे गए होंगे, उनमें से बच्चे किस तरह निकल आएंगे, बच्चों के पंख कैसे निकलेंगे, घोंसला कैसा है. So what happened? They have questions. First question is what? अंडे कितने बड़े होंगे means how much big the eggs will grow. First question is अंडे कितने बड़े होंगे, how much big the eggs will grow. Next question is किस रंग के होंगे means what the color they will have. मीन्स किस रंग के होंगे, मीन्स व्हाट द कलर दे विल हैव। नेक्स्ट, बच्चे उनमें कैसे गए होंगे, मीन्स दे आर थिंकिंग दैट इट इज एन एग, हाउ द स्मॉल बर्ड्स वेंट इनसाइड दैट, दे आर थिंकिंग। नेक्स्ट, उनमें से बच्चे किस तरह निकल आएंगे, ओके दे वेंट, बट हाउ दे विल कम आउटसाइड ऑफ दैट, दे आर थिंकिंग। उनमें से बच्चे किस तरह निकल आएंगे, मीन्स हाउ दे विल कम आउटसाइड ऑफ द एग। नेक्स्ट, बच्चों के पंख कैसे निकलेंगे, मीन्स इफ दे विल कम आउटसाइड आल्सो, हाउ देयर विंग्स विल कम आउटसाइड, दे हैव डाउट। एंड घोंसला कैसा है, मीन्स दे आर स्मॉल, सो दे कांट वॉच दैट मच अप एंड दे कांट वॉच द नेस्ट, एंड दे आर थिंकिंग हाउ इज द नेस्ट, दे हैव दैट डाउट। So we'll see who clears that doubt. लेकिन उनके प्रश्नों का उत्तर देने वाला कोई नहीं था। ना अम्मा को घर के कामों से फुर्सत थी, ना बाबूजी को ऑफिस के काम से। दोनों बच्चे आपस में सवाल जवाब करके अपने आप को तसल्ली दे देते थे। So what happened? They will have this many questions, but no one is there to answer their questions. Their mother is there, but she not have any time for their children to ask and talk with their children. She not have any time. Next, their father, they should not think also, because he will be every time in office only. So every day what they will do, they will get this many questions and they will clear that themselves. Means they will talk to each other and clear their questions. Like Keshav will ask to Shyama, means Shyama will give the reply, and Shyama will ask to Keshav, means Keshav will give the reply. Like that they will be getting the answers, means wrong answers or correct answers, but they will be happy. Next, what is there means, श्यामा कहती, क्यों भैया बच्चे निकलकर फुर से उड़ जाएंगे। केशव किसी विद्वान की तरह उसे बताता, नहीं रे पगली, पहले उनके पंख निकलेंगे, बिना पंखों के बेचारे कैसे उड़ेंगे। So what happened? First, what Shyama asked is, brother, Keshav brother, they will come outside and they will fly a brother. She is asking like this to Keshav. Keshav said like Vidwan. Vidwan means teacher. So the meaning of Vidwan is teacher. So he is giving answers like a teacher. So he said like a teacher that Vidwan means teacher. He said like teacher. He given the answer for Shyama's question in a way teachers will give answers to the students. So he gave like teacher's answer type. He given that answer. So he said, no, my dear sister. First word, they will get wings. Without wings, how can they fly? He said to his sister. Next, श्यामा पूछती, बच्चों को उनकी माँ क्या खिलाएगी। केशव इस मुश्किल सवाल का जवाब कुछ न दे पाता था। इस तरह 3-4 दिन बीत गए। दोनों बच्चों की जिज्ञासा प्रतिदिन बढ़ती ही जा रही थी। So what happened? Shyama's next question was, what the mother will feed the bird of mother bird, how she will feed to them. She is getting doubt what she will feed to that birds. So small birds, what she will feed means Keshav don't know the answer because it is a mushkil question. Mushkil means hard. So the meaning of mushkil is hard. So the question was very hard. So Keshav can't give the answer for that question and he will be staying quiet. So after so many days happened like this, they will answer the questions like this. So many days happened. So mushkil means hard. So Keshav can't give the answer for this question and so many days happened. So now they are getting so much curiosity. Jignasa means curiosity. Mushkil means hard and Jignasa means curiosity. They are getting curiosity that they want to know it. So how many eggs are there, how is that, all questions there na. So they want to know the answer. So what is that, how many eggs are there, and they will getting that many questions means no one is there to answer. So they are getting doubts and they are going there and they so much curiosity. Every day their curiosity is increasing. Jignasa is increasing means curiosity is increasing. So much curiosity is increasing. So every day they are getting that many doubts and every day they are going, they are thinking, once I will climb it, I want to see the nest. There that many doubts they are having, so they want to clear it by seeing the nest. So what happened, we'll see. उन्होंने अनुमान लगाया कि अब जरूर बच्चे निकल आए होंगे। बच्चों के दाने का सवाल अब उनके सामने आ खड़ा हुआ। चिड़िया बेचारी इतना दाना कहाँ से लाएगी कि सारे बच्चों का पेट भर जाए। बच्चे भूखे पेट के चू चू करके मर जाएंगे। So now what happened? Keshav and Shyama were having this many doubts. They were getting curiosity increased by day. So Shyama is getting that doubt that their brother, they have been grown, I think so, they are coming out of the eggs, I think so. Means Keshav is saying that yeah, they will come outside, but what about their food? He is asking like that. So their mother will bring grains of rice, but she can't bring the sufficient grains now. So that doubt they are getting, and they are thinking that how can the mother bird bring that many eggs which will be sufficient for small baby birds. So they will, without eating food they will die. They are thinking like that. So next what happened? इस मुसीबत का अनुमान लगाकर दोनों घबरा गए। दोनों ने फैसला किया कि कार्निस पर थोड़ा सा दाना रख दिया जाए। श्यामा खुश होकर बोली, तब तो चिड़िया को दाने के लिए कहीं उड़कर ना जाना पड़ेगा। So what happened? This is so much hard work. So what they are doing? Keshav said that now we will climb up the Karnis and we will keep grains of rice there. Means Shyama was happy and she said, very nice idea brother, very nice idea, she was saying. And what they did, we'll see. How they climbed that, we'll see. So now what happened means how they climbed that, we'll see. Keshav, नहीं, तब क्यों जाएंगे? श्यामा, क्यों भैया, हम अब बच्चों को दाना देने के लिए नहीं जाएंगे क्या? केशव, हाँ हम जरूर जाएंगे। So now what happened? They are talking. So we will go there. Means mother will scold us. They are talking to each other. So next what happened? Keshav is saying, come then bring some things I will say you. So what he said? So श्यामा, क्यों भैया, बच्चों को धूप न लगती होगी? केशव का ध्यान इस बात की तरफ ना गया था। बोला, जरूर तकलीफ हो रही होगी, बेचारे प्यास के मारे तड़पते होंगे, ऊपर छाया भी तो कोई नहीं। Means what happened? They are talking like this. We will go and bring that water and that way they are thinking. So what happened? They are thinking that up they will get so much sunlight also now. And Keshav not got this, but he got one more that they will eat. But after eating, how can they drink water? How can they make their thirst off? He is thinking like that. So what they will do, we'll see. आखिर यही फैसला हुआ कि घोंसले के ऊपर कपड़े की छत बना देनी चाहिए। पानी की कटोरी और थोड़े से चावल रख देने का विचार पड़ा। सो दोनों बच्चे बड़े चाव से काम करने लगे। श्यामा माँ को बताए बिना रसोई से चावल उठा लाई। केशव ने एक पुराना कप ढूंढ लिया, उसे खूब साफ करके उसमें पानी भर दिया। Now they got that we will do all this facility, we will give this all facilities to the small birds. So Shyama went without asking her mother. She went into the kitchen and bought some grains of rice. And Keshav went inside the kitchen and washed a cup. And without any dust left on that, and he bought that. Next what they bought, we'll see. अब दोनों बच्चों ने सोचा कि अब खाने का इंतजाम तो हो चुका है, अभी धूप छाया का इंतजाम करना होगा। सो अब छाया के लिए कपड़ा कहाँ से आए? फिर ऊपर बगैर चिड़िया के कपड़ा ठहरेगा कैसे? और चिड़िया खड़ी होंगी तो कैसे? केशव बड़ी देर तक इसी उधेड़बुन में रहा। आखिरकार उसे यह मुश्किल भी हल कर दी। श्यामा से बोला, जाकर कूड़ा फेंकने वाली टोकरी उठाकर लाओ। So what happened now? He is thinking, okay, we kept then Shyama bought some water also in one cup. So they kept that cup of water and cup of rice there. Means next he got, if I keep one cloth and I will make the sticks to stand and keep the cloth. They will fall down. How they will, without support, how they will live? So he is thinking. So he got one idea and he said that कूड़ा डालने वाली टोकरी means dustbin. So he said, bring the dustbin here. He asked. Next, so next what happened? Now जाकर he said to श्यामा to bring, जाकर कूड़ा फेंकने वाली टोकरी लेकर आओ. अम्मा जी को मत दिखाना श्यामा, वह तो बीच से फटी हुई है, उसमें से धूप न जाएगी. केशव ने झुझलाकर बोला, तुम टोकरी तो लाओ, मैं उसका छेद बंद करने का कोई तरकीब निकालूंगा. So what happened? Now they both got idea. Means Shyama is saying that, okay brother, I will bring the dustbin, but it is having one hole in that, so the sunlight will enter now. Means so Keshav said that no, first you bring that dustbin, first you bring that dustbin. He said to Shyama. Means okay, I will do that arrangement, he said to Shyama. Next Shyama bought the dustbin and what he will do we'll see. श्यामा दौड़कर टोकरी उठा लाई. केशव ने उसके छेद में थोड़ा सा कागज ठूस दिया और टोकरी को एक टहनी से टिकाकर बोला, देख ऐसे ही घोंसले पर उसकी आड़ कर दूंगा, तब कैसे धूप जाएगी. श्यामा ने दिल में सोचा, भैया कितने चालाक हैं. मीन्स व्हाट हैपेंड नाउ? Shyama and Keshav both were thinking. Means Keshav said to bring the dustbin. Means Shyama very much fastly she ran and came back with the dustbin. And Keshav what he did? He took that paper and fold and kept into that hole so that it is covered and the sunlight will not enter. So now what he did? He kept one wood piece there and that dustbin he kept upside. So now he said that I'll keep like this. Show my idea, he said. Means Shyama was thinking inside her brain that oh, my brother is so much intelligent. Chalak means intelligent. So she was thinking that my brother is so much intelligent. Chalak means my brother is so much chalak, he is doing this much work, I am not got that idea also. She is thinking like that. So her brother is so much chalak, she is thinking like intelligent, she is thinking. So now what happened? Keshav kept like that. Means now it will not enter the sunlight to the birds, small birds. So it will not sunlight will not enter there. So now they got their plans was successful. Next what they will do we'll see. गर्मी के दिन थे, बाबूजी ऑफिस गए हुए थे. अम्मा दोनों बच्चों को कमरे में सुलाकर खुद सो गई थी, लेकिन बच्चों की आंखों में आज नींद कहाँ. अम्मा जी को बहलाने के लिए दोनों सांस रोके आंख बंद किए मौके का इंतजार कर रहे थे. ज्यों मालूम हुआ था कि अम्मा अच्छी तरह से सो गई, दोनों चुपके से उठे और बहुत धीरे से दरवाजे की सिटकनी खोलकर बाहर निकल गए. So now what happened? गर्मी के दिन थे. Means that was the time of summer. So what happened? Their Babuji means their father went to the office and he is doing the his work in the office. So now their mother took the Keshav and Shyama and make them sleep and she also slept with them. So what happened? They stopped, Keshav and Shyama stopped their breath and they acted like they slept. Now their mother got that they both slept and she also slept. After some time they thought that their mother is slept and slowly they went outside the room. And what happened we'll see. अच्छी तरह से दोनों अंडों की सुरक्षा की तैयारियां होने लगी. केशव कमरे से एक स्टूल उठा लाया, लेकिन जब उससे काम ना चला तो नहाने की चौकी लाकर स्टूल के नीचे रखा और डरते स्टूल पर चढ़ा. Now what happened? Keshav and Shyama slowly went outside. So Keshav and Shyama what they did? Now they are doing preparation for doing that works. Means they are seeing the rice is properly only there are, the tokri dustbin is like that only there are, they are seeing. Means what they Keshav bought stool and he was stood on that stool, but he can't see. So it is so much up, na, he can't see that. So what happened? Now he thought that nahane ki chauki means where they will bath on, they will sit on that stool and again they will bath. So it is known as nahane ki chauki. They bought that and they kept up on the stool and he stood, but he was getting afraid. He was thinking that if I fall down, he was getting that afraidness, and what he did, he kept that and he stood. What after stooding, what we will see? केशव ने ज्यों ही कार्निस पर हाथ रखा, दोनों चिड़िया उड़ गई। केशव ने देखा कार्निस पर थोड़े से तिनके बिछे हुए थे और उन पर 3 अंडे पड़े हैं। जैसे घोंसले उसने पेड़ों पर देखे थे वैसे ही कोई घोंसला नहीं है। श्यामा ने नीचे से पूछा, कितने बच्चे हैं भैया? So what happened? Keshav kept his hand because he kept like this hand for touching it, and he saw that now in that hand what he got, some small rice pieces were there. So he was and beside that 3 eggs are kept there. So what happened? Now he is thinking that how the nests will be, I'll watch in movies, but this nest is not like movies. Means he is thinking that in the real life the nest will be not like movies. He is thinking like that. So now what happened? Shyama is asking, how many eggs are there, brother? So Shyama ने पूछा, कितने बच्चे हैं भैया? केशव, 3 अंडे हैं, अभी बच्चे नहीं निकले। श्यामा, जरा हमें दिखा दो भैया, कितने बड़े हैं? केशव, दिखा दूंगा, पहले जरा पुराने कपड़े ले आ, नीचे बिछा दूं, बेचारे अंडे तिनकों पर पड़े हैं। सो नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड? Shyama means she asked, how many eggs are there, brother? Means Keshav is saying that my dear sister, 3 eggs are there. Means Shyama is saying, brother, let me also see. Means she is saying, means Keshav said that first, okay, you will see, but first you bring the clothes, torn clothes. Means she went and she bought, will see. She bought or not, will see. श्यामा दौड़कर माँ की पुरानी धोती फाड़कर एक टुकड़ा ले आई। केशव ने झुककर कपड़ा ले लिया, उसकी कई तह करके उसने एक गद्दी बनाई और उससे तिनकों पर बिछाकर तीनों अंडे धीरे से उस पर रख दिया। So now what happened? Shyama went fastly, means by running again by running she went to inside the house and she bought a dhoti. Dhoti means sari, the old sari. Purani dhoti means old sari. So she bought an old sari of her mother. Means she bought a small piece of her mother's old sari. Purani dhoti means old sari. So she bought one of the she torn one piece from that small sari, means old sari, that was small piece. So she told that, and that was the old sari, so it will tear fast also. So now she bought that. Means Keshav, what he did, he is saying that, my dear sister Shyama, why I said to you to bring that clothes, because that 3 eggs are lying on the grains of rice. He is saying like this. Means Shyama said, okay brother, now keep them on that clothes. Means now what happened? He got an idea. How can I keep that? He means he make that small pieces is there. Means he joined that and make a gaddi. Gaddi means like a small chair. So he made a small chair, like he made structure. It was like small chair, but it was not real small chair. It was only like structure of small chair. So he now he made that and he kept or not, we'll see. श्यामा ने पूछा, गद्दी बन गई है क्या भैया? श्यामा ने फिर कहा, हमको भी दिखाओ भैया. Means now what happened? That Shyama is asking, gaddi is means small chair, structure is made or not? She is asking and she is saying that, okay, if it is made, keep that X on that, and I also want to see, brother. She is saying like this. So what happened? कई तह करके उसने एक गद्दी बनाई और उसके तिनकों पर बिछाकर तीनों अंडे धीरे से उस पर रख दिए. So now Keshav make the gaddi, means small chair-like structure, and he kept neatly that 3 eggs. Slowly he kept them into that gaddi. Means now what happened? Shyama is again asking, I want to see the eggs. I want to see the baby eggs. She is asking. Now Keshav, दिखा दूंगा, पहले जरा वह टोकरी तो दे दो, ऊपर छाया कर दूंगा. Now what happened? Keshav is asking, that dustbin fall down, sister. Now you give me a tokri. Tokri means on that they will carry vegetables. It is the type. So what she bought that tokri and they kept it up. Why she bought that? Because Keshav was saying that now the dustbin fall down, they will get sunlight now. That I will keep now tokri upon that. So it will not get sunlight. So next what happened? We'll see. केशव ने टोकरी को एक टहनी से टिकाकर कहा, जाओ दाना और पानी वाला कप ले आओ, मैं उतर आऊं तो तुम्हें दिखा दूंगा. So now what Keshav said means Shyama bought the tokri and he kept one wooden stick there and he kept like that like structure that tokri there. Means what happened? They are safe from the sunlight. Now Keshav said, Shyama, Shyama sister, go and bring some water and rice grains. They are also finishing. You bring that. Means let me get down. Now that after I will get down, I'll show you also. He said. Means Shyama bought the cup of water and some grains also. Now what happened? श्यामा पानी का कप और चावल भी ले आई. केशव ने दोनों चीजें टोकरी के नीचे रख दी और धीरे से उतर गया. श्यामा ने प्रार्थना सी की, अब हमको भी चढ़ा दो भैया, केशव तुम गिर पड़ोगी. Now what happened? Shyama bought that cup of water and some grains. So Keshav kept that and he got down. So what happened? Shyama asked like she is praying to that and saying that Keshav brother, please Keshav brother, let me also climb that and I want to also see it. Means Keshav said that no sister, you will fall down. Means Shyama said that नहीं गिरूंगी भैया, तुम नीचे से पकड़ के रहना. केशव, नहीं, अगर कहीं से तुम गिरा गई तो अम्मा जी मेरी चटनी ही बना डालेगी, कहेंगी कि तुमने ही चढ़ाया था. क्या करेगी देखकर. अब अंडे बड़े आराम से हैं, जब बच्चे निकलेंगे तो उनको पालेंगे. So now what happened? Shyama is saying, I want to climb that brother. Means what happened? Keshav said, no, you will fall down. Means Shyama said that, okay brother, but let me see brother, I will not fall down, you will catch me. She is saying like this. Means Keshav is saying that, no, you should not climb that. If you fall down, means mother will say to me only, Keshav, you only did like that. So if you want to watch the whole lesson video, this is the part 1. If you want to watch the whole lesson video, watch part 2. Thank you.